Hello everyone. Welcome back to another home tour. And if this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining me. I am so happy you are here today because today we are going to be touring this beautiful model home that is located in Katy, Texas, inside the Lake House subdivision. Now this home is by Tri Pointe Homes and it is the Kestral floor plan. This home is starting in the mid 300s. It is a 3-bedroom, 3-car garage, 2.5 bath, and it is priced again in the mid 300s. Just keep in mind that the price does tend to change when you choose your elevation and your lot. For example, if you do a corner lot or cul-de-sac, since it is a larger square footage, price tends to change. Also, depending on your budget, any upgrades that you do add also makes the price increase. So just keep that in mind. Now, as we can see here, we have a beautiful 2-story ceiling view to the upstairs. Down here we have a half bath, and then we do have access to a 3-car garage. Now we're going to be going over upstairs in just a few minutes because that's where all the bedrooms are located, including a game room. I'm just going to show you guys around down here for a minute and show you guys the backyard. It is very spacious, large backyard with a very open concept floor plan at the bottom because you have your living room, your kitchen, and your breakfast nook all in one area. So we'll go back there in just a minute. Let's go ahead and keep taking a look and see what this home is featuring. I love all the open windows, a lot of windows for all that natural light to come in. So since it is a smaller, more closed floor plan, all these windows do help with the lighting. So you won't have that, dark area, dark corner on one side of the house. So all these windows are helping for all that natural light to come in. Now, as you can see here, we have a pretty decent sized kitchen with your breakfast nook, viewing your backyard, beautiful living room with a nice modern fireplace. I'm loving the mantle. Let me know what you guys think of this home down in the comments. I would love to know your thoughts. Also, don't forget to give me a like if you are enjoying this tour, and consider subscribing to my channel for more new upcoming videos just like these, home tours, home decor, and all that fun stuff. All right guys, here I'm just giving you different views from different points of the home. We'll go ahead and take a closer look in the kitchen in just a sec. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the backyard. We have a covered patio, extended patio here with a beautiful landscaping. Now, all of this is an add-on, especially the stamped floor. As you can see, the details on the bottom. Some of these homes do offer, if you want to do tile instead of just regular concrete, all that is just whatever your budget is, it can be added on. We have a beautiful playground back here, pretty large size backyard for the kids to run around. Now let's take a look of the home from the backyard view. Beautiful home. Those windows upstairs are for the bedrooms. So 2 of the bedrooms have views to the backyard. I think one of them is the master bedroom. We'll go take a look in just a sec. All right, going upstairs now with this modern railing. Now, like I mentioned, upstairs we do have a game room. We have the laundry room and the 3 bedrooms. So we have the master and the 2 other bedrooms included up here. The game room is a pretty good size for the kids to come up here and gather after a long day. They can come here and watch some movies, play some games, or just hang out. Sometimes some kids just like to find that perfect corner to read a book or watch a movie. This is a perfect space here for them. Now from the game room, you have the view to the downstairs, down to the front door. And we do have the laundry room right here. Pretty decent size. And right in here, we do have the master bedroom. And this does include its own bathroom inside. We'll go take a look in just a minute. These 2 windows take you to the backyard. So you do have view to the backyard. Nice large closets. Pretty good size bedroom actually for a master bedroom being upstairs. Now right over here we do have the master bathroom. I like the glass tile details on here. Really pretty. Detail is what gives it all. Now you do have a window, but keep in mind that that glass is blurred, so you don't have neighbors peeking in. You can always add some shades, some drapes, you know, it's all optional. We have a double sink counter. That's a must if you're sharing a bathroom with your loved one. And right over on this side, we have the other 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom over on the right side. So this bathroom is shared with both of the bedrooms that are located up here. And the bedrooms up here are actually a pretty good, decent size as well. Lots of walking space. This one here has the view to the front yard. So it has these windows viewing the front of the home. And this one here is the 3rd bedroom. Good sized bedroom for a nursery. Loving the windows, all the natural light. Just giving you guys some different views, different areas of the bedroom so you guys can get a more detailed, closer look. Right in this door, I didn't want to skip it, but let me go back. We do have a closet, so this can be a linen closet. And it seems like that's the only closet up here, so that's pretty much it for the upstairs. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Like and subscribe to my channel for more new upcoming videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for being here.